Hello, another video. I've been missing in action, but I'm back now, catching up on all these challenges. This is all these challenges are for FFC Challenge 2023. I know it's 2024 now, but it's still called FFC Challenge 2023. This was a Diorama card. You can probably hear fireworks in the background because football, I think they must have scored a goal. Any excuse for fireworks around here. Anyway, I'll carry on. This is a Diorama card. Wishing you la dolce vita. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, or mine would be limoncello because I love limoncello. It's my homage to Italy, one of my favourite countries. So all the instructions for this is by papermona, FFC Challenge 2023. Another card I had to make, but make this more like a photo album. So this was a squash card, so I made it to, like I say, a photo album. There's a belly band. Trust your crazy ideas. It's really lovely paper. I've had quite a while. This is all made from a 12 by 12 sheet. It opens up like this. I trimmed this down to 10 by 10 and then followed all the instructions for the folds and added tags with some stickers like live your life. This one goes this way. You are enough. And be brave with your life. And I just think it's beautiful paper. Again, I've had for a while. So you follow the instructions, but how you work out, of course, where to put the tags is you work from the front backwards so you know which way to put the tags. I just thought it'd be really nice. I love going on day travels at the moment, so I thought I could put little photographs of myself on my day travels. So this folds up like this. There she is having a relax with her cat. And folds up like this. There's the belly band. Oop. And then trust your crazy ideas. So there's my squash card. Had to do for the challenge. As I say, I'm catching up at the moment, and that's a diorama card, or diorama, almost like a shrine really. And next video I'll probably show you I need to catch up making a waterfall card. Bye for now.